There we go. Found my way through the curtain. It's impossible to find my way through the curtains.
Alright guys, give it up one more time for
Harleen, Uma, and Sama. Give it up one more time. So Seth, I don't know about you, but when I was little, I'm a South Indian. Give it up. If you're a South Indian in here, give me some applause. South Indian? Yeah, that's right back mountain. You're South Indian as can be. I see it right in your face. Anyway, I don't know about you, man. I know you're South Indian too, right?
Sri Lanka.
Hey, I just want to say we beat them in cricket in the World Cup. Oh yeah, cricket. Anyway, besides the point, what I'm trying to say here is when you were little, did you ever study Carnatic music?
I did, but I sucked at it, so
really?
That doesn't count.
For those of you who don't know, Carnatic music is a form of South Indian classical music. It's something that every South Indian parent will make their kid learn for at least 10 excruciating years of their life. When I say excruciating, I mean really excruciating. It can be very painful, but it can be really great for some. There's some people who really enjoy this art form. And you know what? It's a very acquired taste. And today, at this performance, we're going to present to you some very fine musicians. I don't know, what do you think? You think they're very fine musicians?
They have to be, man. I think everyone's a fine musician compared to this, so. Like I said, my opinion does not count. But what Carnatic music consists of is singing, sangeetam, the drum, mridangam.
It's a out there. It's like this.
I don't know. Could have violins.
Yeah,
I don't know what else I
violins.
got in there, so. Awkward moment. Let's just find out when the curtain's open, alright? So let's give them a round of applause.
Alright, give it up for Carnatic music.
விளையாட